Ripple, Adonis, ShipOwner 5 to 4. Many ship owners use different software systems and well, now Alexa, could you please change this format to that format? Yes, thank you. Done. Then what's the point in having these 15 different softwares? Well, crew management. But which is the most competitive and the best priced? My point of view, as well as choosing the best surfboard and how to train and so on, is Adonis, Ripple. Why? Because it is 1,500 euros or dollars per year, so it's roughly $100 per month user. If you are a ship owner, then with that $100 per month, you can have a fleet of 10 ships that Candina, if we need 5 licenses, let's say 5 people involved in this. So from data, programmers, yes, these are the new guys on the block, and so we need them. Then Ripple and Adonis can be very competitive. We have different softwares like Mariapp, you have to pay 100K one time. Whoa. Then 10K per month. Wow. Well, what is this software doing? AI? Yeah, you need no workers. Come on, forget about it. AI cannot do this video with such a laugh because robots don't laugh, you see. Then we need to have a talent, have a laugh, and have really a cost and manage all that. And this is a human business, of course. Before it was 40 people on board the ship, now is 12, 15. State-of-the-art hero seafarers, hero ship owners bringing revenue to countries. Politicians don't know, but you see they have stones in the brain, so why we pay them? Then with those you can do AI. Yes, of course. Alexis, please take care and use those government buildings for houses because humans have no houses. But if you are a Ripple, Adonis, or you are thinking into how can I defend the barriers of entry and exit of my intrinsic value, the goodwill, the investment in talent, in HR, in humans in my company, I think Ripple, Adonis are #1, and we can do that and many others. If you want to pay or not, up to you, dear ship owner. But if you want to keep your barriers and just separate from windsurfing, which is technical, which is they mix both HR surfing and the technical windsurfing, it's better to isolate, separate, dividici, vendici, Julius Caesar. So please, invest in this separate and win, and do it with Ripple and Adonis. Candina is here with you. We can really build those barriers like Warren Buffett says, yes, and put snakes and crocodiles, and well, let's do it in a different way. Thank you. Bye with that software.